Only a few months ago, this Mao village in Manipur state was the scene of war, a war in which its inhabitants, the Nagas, played a brilliant part in helping to keep India's frontiers safe from her enemies. If you talk to those who have fought on the Burma front, you will hear much of the heroic deeds of these hillmen who have proved themselves in the stern test of battle. But before that, they had had equally famous victories way back through the ages. And it is these victories that the Nagas commemorate in their tribal dances. You and I have to go to our history books to remind ourselves of past wars. The Nagas had their victories graphically recorded in their picturesque dances, as vividly as the maps and diagrams in our history books.